everybody, Dave Halleck here at Gerry Gordon's Mazda with, hey, it's a summertime thing. You need a little bit more space in your car to take all of your extra stuff. You might have the mother-in-law with you, you got the kids, you got the dog, you're going to the lake, you may be evacuated, it's kind of smoky outside, you might be in an evacuation area, you need more room in your car, and I can wholeheartedly sell you a bigger car. But if you don't want to spend the extra money, something like adding a hitch basket to the back of your ride will easily give you that flexibility that you might be missing. So if we take a look at how much extra space you can gain, if we put our luggage in the back, it gives you lots of room and you can strap it down, so there's no worries about how high you can go. Put your tote bins, put your luggage, and you know what? If you're worried about the weight, well, I'm 300 pounds and it's sturdy, so there's no problem on that side. Grab the rest of your gear, throw it on, strap it up. You got clear, easy view for your license plate, so you're keeping yourself legal. You can even get the waterproof bags to keep all of your stuff nice and clean and dry, and it gives you all that extra room that you don't necessarily have in the car. So instead of buying a roof rack that impedes your fuel efficiency, and of course it doesn't look great, and putting a bin that you can't get to, put it all on the back, add a trailer hitch. It works great for your bike rack. It works perfectly for the swaggin' basket on the back, and voila, you got that easy solution for those couple times a year where you're going to go out and you need that little bit of extra room. So come down and see us at Gerry Gordon's Mazda in the Waverley Auto Mall. I'm Dave Halleck. I want to show you why we should put a Mazda in your driveway.